Hello everyone and welcome. As we know from my previous video, definitely check out. I had an issue with our audio. Hopefully I got that fixed. And sorry for doing that. I'm going to be answering three questions on Appgyver. Starting off with this number one, unable to build fatigue Ragash had an issue because suddenly I'm unable to build the Android app. I'm getting below error response. I then created fresh package in Firebase. It is important. It's Firebase. Yeah, that is important. Use a fresh package in Firebase. Added all IDs and link to Appgyver and also package name is correct as per JSON still failing. You get that? So he is claiming that the package name is correct as per JSON file. Okay, so because when you are done connecting, when you are done connecting with Firebase, they'll send you a JSON file which has your package name. And the package name is the same like the one that's in Firebase. But then when you copy it and connect it to Appgyver, when you connect it to Appgyver, in the bundle settings, I explained it to him already because this question was asked in July 2022, so I'm actually going to come back for this. Should have been this, but I just left an answer back then. And over here today, I was reminded that, well, Michael, I'm having the same error. I checked all the steps and got no answer. So I discovered something important about this issue that Pratik. Sorry if I'm not spelling it. I'm not pronouncing it right. So in this video, most of these errors are not just some random text, okay? You can't read it, and if you read it, you discover here that error failure. View failed with an exception. What went wrong? Execution failed task or app process release Google service. This is important. This app process release Google service is exactly the Google service JSON they say. Google service that is sent to me. And now what is the Google service saying? Because this error is coming from the Google service. It's saying that no matching client found for the package name, and I'm guessing that your app is a fitness program guide workout app. I know this because this is the Firebase name. This is the Firebase name of the app which I pasted here. And now it is incorrect with what is actually in the JSON in the Google service. So you might want to check that out. You might want to check that out to make sure that the name of your Firebase project, the package name, is exactly the same as the one. It will be exactly the same as the one in JSON. It also has to be exactly the same with the one in your bundle settings, because when you're going to be distributing your sort of bundle settings, then you ask you for your package identifier. That is the place where in fact, you know what, let's quickly go over there just to make sure. Go to view service and it's going to be loading. And once loading, I think we'll just go and answer. Okay, it's already done. So inside configuration, this bundle settings over here, you see right over here. So this will not be you won't come here and change and put inside the name of the app. It has to be exactly the same as the package name in Firebase. So if you do that, then you shouldn't get this error. Well, this error definitely pops up because it couldn't identify that this package name since it does not exist. The Firebase page is not under this Firebase. It's not under this package. So you can check it out. So number 2. Okay, so yeah. My God. So number 2. How do you sort repeat with containers? So he is having a repeat container. Harvey O is having a repeat with container. He's trying to make a US1 announcement. And now he's noticed that he can't sort out because it's something 2. It's something 2 11 same time. I don't know, same time. How do you want to sort them with the dates? Hello everyone, I connected my app to a Firebase database. I created a container that contains name, location, date, and description, and made them repeat with. Okay, it's pretty easy. It's a pretty easy fix because right over here you could have. This is the only place you need to fix and repeat with. Lucky I already did that, so we'll go over to Etiendem. Over here. Oh, I created that. Watch it, just follow what he said, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so I'll get over here. I'm supposed to name this page after you. So let's do that. Alright, I connected. I let's just say I created a an object file, an object function, an object variable, my bad. So I made a list of objects because you can only repeat with a list of objects. This is types list of objects. So I get a list of objects containing random text and just dates. So what I did here, because normally what you do is you just like come over here, it was a page variable, and yeah, there is a list of objects, and you just save. But what you do if you do this is let's just do this, okay? Let's just see what it gives us. So it's saved. Now get over here, and you see each of them hello. That is in the chronology, in the order in which they were created. H was created first, then E, then L, then M, then O. So it didn't go according to the dates, because if you check the dates now, they are not in order. So how do I make that go in order? Was simple enough. You come here, and now instead of choosing the regular variable, you come to the formula, and we're going to change this formula a bit. I'm going to make sure that the list of objects, the list of objects, is going to like pull up a particular order. So we come right down here to objects. No, I mean lists. It's a list. It's a list of objects. So it's basically a list. And now we're going to go to sort by. So we have sort by key, exactly what we need, because we're going to be sorting by the dates, and also the sort can also be ascertain the position on this side of this. You put the list, the key, and also the order. So the list, our list from the page, you just put the list that you have. That's my list. The key is dates, right? Date, yep. If you don't know your key, just like over there, you have 3 keys: ID, date, and name. So my date, and thirdly, you want to put it whether it's ascending or descending. First of all, put ascending. Let's just double check on my shows. Okay, yes, alright. So now it's going to order them in ascending order. It's going to order the different records according to the date in an ascending order. So really check it out, and you see it's no more hello, it's like complete fumble there. Why? Because it's sorted them in order of dates from the list date to the present date. You see 2018, 2096, 2097, 2097, 11, 07, 8, 07, 11, 2023, 8, 29. Alright, so I hope that helps you out, and we can now proceed to the third one. So our third question was as so: if status code, and this was a little tricky, but I was able to like do what you needed. The Yamikano. So Yamikano says, oh, this is the first time Yamikano has posted. Welcome to the community, Yamikano. Kano. So that's if I pronounce it wrong. So I'm starting programming with Appgyver. Welcome. I have an API. Make sure you subscribe. Ton of good things for it. So subscribe to Taylor Talks. There's a lot of Appgyver videos you really enjoy. Welcome to the community. So I'm starting programming with Appgyver. I have an API where I make a request, which according to the results gives me 3 statuses, which are 200, 400, and 404. So I actually search for these different statuses, and you know what? Let's just search while I keep reading. I want to place a to-dos condition. If I receive the 404 status, it will be true. So 200. So any status 200 when you like do an API request, any status which is 200, that it can be 200, it can be 201, 202, 203. But any 200 was returned when the browser request was received, understood, and processed by the server. So keep that in mind. Any 200 code means that it has been actually received and understood processed. So it's the 200s redirection codes returned when a new resource has been submitted for the request resources. Something as self-explanatory where the redirection codes were returned when a new resource has been added. Now to explain that way, let's take the category on that. I don't know if it's understandable. The whole unit is about 300. So 400 again, there's not really like 400 and 404. All of that is just a bundle of 400s, because 400 mostly are like for client errors. That is, client errors are codes indicating that there was a problem with the request. For example, 404 basically says page not found. 404 is for page not found. Okay, so now in Appgyver, when you do an API request, if it is true, automatically it just goes to the page. It does not return any status like StoneJet or okay. You might do that when you're like setting up the schema, but it won't happen. It won't happen like it won't happen if you will like set out that status 200. If it was valid, then it's going to it's just going to go to the page that is going to send you the API. The request will be successful. Just saying because if it is invalid, that's going to get status. So how do I know where to get my status? So I believe so. Yeah, let me take quick interpretation of this. Let's go to Yami Kano. This is Yami Kano. This is the question. Make sure you subscribe. Okay. So there was actually pretty easy because when you get a record, right? So I got a record, a previous record of guest countries which are in the marketplace. So when I get this record, right, it's supposed to give two outputs. Either it gets the record. In my case, like I was telling you, Appgyver, if it gets a record, then automatically status is 200, which means you have successfully retrieved the data. So if you have to put an if statement here, you just know that it's already 200, so you don't even need to like check it whether it's 200 or not. It's already 200. So go with that basis over here, over this flow here that is going to be 200. Now suppose it's not 200, it's another error. What's the error? This is where you can put your if statement and check whether it's 200 or left or right. But if you want to just see which kind of error it is, so this is the formula about this is status, and under is going to put the status. Now it's going to say you're going to look up from the error and get out and get the status part out of it, because lookup, right? Lookup is supposed to you're going to remove a I want to say a parameter object. We say an element from is an element because as value associated with a given key. Okay, so our error normally occurs over here. The value status is not in the following code message for error, because this error, right? This error is having three different keys. It has the code, it has the message, and it has the raw error. But when you like, okay, not enough, less talking. I kind of want to say this. Okay. Now I just want to show you how I discovered this, although I don't think anybody wants to get a tip. I just want to like make sure this works. So okay, now I Appgyver and I click this, right? Status. So this is the error code that comes out. You have the quotes, this is the key, the code, right? The next thing over the message part, because this is an object. When you see a curly bracket, it means an object, and it's the first key of the object, followed by a comma, which means automatically the second key, which is supposed to be a message, right? And as a message actually is a key. Look at how it is put. It's a key because it's surrounded by semicolons. It's surrounded by apostrophes, double apostrophes. Then we have this colon over here. This says 400. And now there's another comma, which means we're going to the third key. And the third key now is the message, the raw message, I guess. But what's important here is that it's 400, which means there's an error on the client's end, which is good because that is what we're looking for. So I'll just hit OK. And since we know that the status is inside the error, all we need to do to portray the error is come over here. That's a formula and lookup. So the lookup is for objects, and it's going to return the value of a given object. For example, yes, animals. These are the different key values of animal. And now if I want to return dog, only dog, I'm just going to put animal. I'm going to put name. So this is animal, comma name. That is the name. Return the value. So this is exactly the same thing on the Apple record error. Get record error, comma status. So don't mind even saying that so far as you're an Appgyver and save actually goes, then there are chances it will work if you know what you're doing. So when we hit save, we save over here. We go to your Canon and when I press status, bam, it shows what? 400. And so with this now you can like put different if statements to be like, yeah, if results here. You can now put different if statement here like if what comes out here is going to be 400. So like if all of this is equals to, if all of this is equals to 400, then do this. If not, then do that. If not, then do that. Okay, so I've covered three different questions in one video. I hope this helps out. I hope whoever had similar issues, it kind of helps you out. Sorry for the audio for the last video. I really hope this audio this time is okay. And we meet again. Make sure you subscribe, okay? Make sure you subscribe. And I've got a Facebook community that I'm growing. Same name as the channel. Link in the description if you want to be like seeing some more work from me or any kind of stuff. And if you got any issues, comment down below or put it up on Appgyver community, and hopefully I'll get to you. The easiest way is to like just comment. But anyways, that's it for the video. Peace.